Hey, it's Wade Betz over at the Betz Team at Guardian Mortgage, and I wanted to thank you for visiting my video blog today. Today's topic is how to renovate a property. So a lot of people are asking me these days about renovating a home that they're either trying to purchase or that they already own. And there are definitely loan programs out there that allow for this, the most common of which is called the Fannie Mae Homestyle Renovation Loan. So this is a wonderful loan program that allows people that own primary residences, second homes, or investment properties to renovate their property to their liking with very generous allowances for what repairs are allowed, okay? So these are more complicated loan programs. They do take longer to close, typically about 45 days, and there's going to be general contractors involved. There's going to be draws after the fact, etc. And there's even going to be a contingency reserve fund, essentially of 10% of whatever the renovation amount is going to be. So just as a hypothetical example, if you're going to purchase a home for $400,000, there's going to be $50,000 worth of renovation cost. That means there's going to be a $5,000 contingency reserve. So when you add up all those numbers, the sales price in a lender's eyes is going to be $455. So any down payment percentage that you're making on that, whether it's 5% or 20%, is going to be off of that $455 number, not that lower $400,000 sales price that you agreed to the seller with. So this is a fantastic loan program because it's very flexible in what renovations are allowed, and it allows you to renovate the property to your liking and have your dream home from day one, as opposed to having to live in it for several years and then fix it as you go. So I would love to help anyone you know that's looking to purchase a home that needs some renovation work. Of course, if you know someone that already owns the property that would like to renovate as well, this is an excellent loan program. By definition, when you go to substantially improve the property, the IRS classifies that debt as acquisition indebtedness versus equity indebtedness. So there's some tax implications that are really beneficial for homeowners. So if you have any questions about this, please get with me. I'd be honored to help. And if there's anything else I can do for you, just let me know. But thank you again for visiting my video blog, and have a great rest of your day. We'll be in touch. Bye-bye.